besties. In today's video, I am preparing vegetable egg stew with plain rice. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Life with Miss E. Let's get started. So I have my fresh tomatoes, green bell pepper, carrots, and onion. So I've already peeled this and scraped the back of my carrots off. I always use vinegar to wash my vegetables. Yes, you might never know where it passed the hands that tie these vegetables before getting to you. So I prefer to have my vinegar in my vegetables. So I let it sit for a while before washing it again. I wash it under running water for 2 or 3 times to get rid of any chemicals. With this, I am so assured that it is well washed. We have cholera and typhoid in the system, so I think washing it alone with salt, I don't trust it though, but I think if you don't have white vinegar, you can use salt to wash it. But you need to get vinegar. Get white vinegar and wash your vegetables with it. So let's continue. After washing my vegetables, I slice my vegetables into smaller chops like this. So I have green bell pepper, carrots, fresh tomatoes, and onion. And I'm using powdered pepper, curry powder, onga cube, eggs, tomato paste, and sardine for this stew. Let me use this opportunity to thank you all for subscribing, watching, and liking my videos. I really appreciate your time and effort. And if you are new here, you are welcome. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Let's get interactive in the comment section. I set my pot on fire, add oil, then put my chopped onions in the oil. I realized that the oil was so much, so I fetched some to use later. I put my tomato paste, then fry it very well. I prefer to have it fried very well before adding any other thing to it, because I don't want the sourness, that sour taste of tomatoes. If you fry it so well like this, you get rid of that sourness. So after frying it well, I added my chopped tomatoes to it. Let it simmer for a while before adding any other vegetables to it. I will leave you here to enjoy the rest of the video. Let me remind you again, kindly subscribe for your girl. So enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.